Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today's part of a special video collaboration with a good friend of mine named Lyle over at No Hippie Barbecue. I'm going to be doing a unique tri-tip, and we're going to get started right now. Stay tuned. Alright, so like I said, this is going to be a unique tri-tip. There are so many tri-tip videos on YouTube that it's just incredible, and most of them get cooked the same way, which is fine. I cook mine that way usually too. About a year ago, I bought a tri-tip, I brought it home, and I decided I was going to cut it into steaks, and I was going to cook it that way. And I did it, and I really enjoyed it. I thought it was phenomenal. Now since then, I've done different versions of that. I've just done straight tri-tip steaks, I've done marinated. The marinated ones come out really good. If you haven't marinated a tri-tip or cut it into steaks specifically and then marinated it, then you're really missing out on something that you should try at least once, because tri-tip really absorbs some marinade, so give that a shot. Now I'm not going to marinate today. Today I'm just going to cut this bad boy into some steaks, and we're going to try to do a nice reverse sear out on the Camp Chef pellet smoker. So I'm going to adjust this camera, bring you in a little bit closer, and show you what we're working with. Alright, so here's the plan. I'm not going to use this whole tri-tip for this video. We're going to save some of it for some tri-tip tacos that we do during the week off camera. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on this fatter part here. I had a hard time, for whatever reason, this time around finding a tri-tip of the right size. This one's 2.4 pounds, and I felt I needed something right around 2.5 in order to get this done and make it look good. So my plan is to go ahead and make a cut right here and then get a couple steaks. Let's go ahead and make this first cut. Alright, we're good there. Now, what I think I'm gonna do here is just make me 2 good sized steaks out of this piece that I have here. So we're just gonna basically go ahead and cut this in half. Alright, so here we go. We've got 2 nice sized steaks out of this tri-tip. So the next part of this is going to be to season this up with a little bit of kosher salt. And we want to get all sides of this. Okay, so here we go. Now the plan is just to let these hang out here and let it absorb some of this salt while I get the Camp Chef pellet smoker heated up. Now we're going to be doing a reverse sear out there today. I'm going to smoke these probably somewhere around 225. Let them come up to, really haven't decided, I think maybe 110 to 115, and then I'm going to get that sear box screaming hot, and I'm going to sear these off at the end. Try to pull these around 125 to 128 somewhere, give them a few minutes to rest, and then I'm really hoping they're going to turn out exactly how we want, so when I cut these bad boys open later, I won't get any hate mail down below. Anyway, let's have a good time, let's hang out outside, and let's get these things cooked up. Okay, so we've got the Camp Chef up to temperature. It's running about 220 at the high smoke setting. And I just want to say a quick word about this grill. It is like clockwork for startup. I mean, it is the smoothest starting pellet grill that I have used yet. Granted, I haven't used many, but I just want to say that I can always rely on this thing starting up, fans kicking on correctly, coming up to temp, and holding temp. So, all that said, let's get these steaks on. Alright, here we go. Let's get these on. Like I said, we're running around 220, and we are going to let these go right here. Haven't quite decided yet what temperature I'm going to start the sear at, but I think we're going to start it right around 105 or so, somewhere in that area. So we're going to monitor these. I'm going to get a temperature probe into here. That's our next step. Let's get that done. Alright, just going to monitor this. Let it come up to right around 105, 108, 110, something like that. Then I'm going to dry them off real quick, hit them with some pepper, and blast them on that sear box. Okay, we just hit 105 on the steaks. I've been preheating this sear box. It is screaming hot, ready to go. It's time to prep the steaks for the sear. So we're going to go ahead and remove these. Okay, so what we're going to do here is just dry these off. We just want to get the water off of these. Now we're going to brush these with some olive oil, and we're going to hit these up with some nice black pepper. and we are ready for a sear. All right, this is the part that always makes me nervous, is trying to nail this reverse sear and get these pulled in time. I've got this sear box screaming hot, so it's time to go ahead and lay these bad boys down. Now we're gonna let these go for about 45 seconds, do a quarter turn, one flip, another quarter turn, and hopefully we're gonna be right where we wanna be. I'm gonna try to pull these around 125-ish, 128, somewhere in there. If I do that, I should nail these. Okay, 45 seconds is gone. It's time for that first turn. Now we wait. Okay, another 45 seconds is gone. It's time for a flip. We've got some beautiful grill marks there. This sear station just does an awesome job. Okay, it's time for another quarter turn. All right, now because these are so fat, we're gonna do a quick sear on these sides, just a few seconds each. Time for the other side. All right, it's time to pull these off and give them a nice 10-minute rest. I will meet you guys inside. All right, guys, here's what we've got. Now, one of these is slightly fatter than the other, so they may not be the perfect match on the inside, but I know they're both going to be really good. And then they've had about a 10-minute rest, which is probably giving me another 8 to 10 degree carryover. So I'm really hoping for that nice rare to medium rare here. It's time to cut these open and see how this turned out. Let's do that. Okay, here we go. Let's get right in the middle of this first one. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and juicy in there. It smells absolutely glorious. Just take a look at this. Very, very good. All right, let's get at this other one here. Very, very nice inside. Almost got our wall-to-wall red on both of these. We were really, really close, but these are nice. These are a nice, rare, medium rare. Just absolutely perfect. All right, it's time to taste these and see how they came out. Surprise! Got a special guest here with me. You may have noticed the mystery arm flipping those steaks out on that sear box. So anyway, listen, I want to say something really fast. I'm blessed and honored to have this man in my home. He was the first creator to reach out to me and to help me. And when he helps me, he's helping my family. And that means the world to me. So Lyle, I appreciate you very much, brother. And it's nice to have you here in my home.
All right, let's eat.
All right, so we're going to give you a close-up here. Grab a fork, man. Grab a fork.
Yeah, this is no hippie. We're
all right, he's going no hippie. I'm going my way. I'm going to show you a close-up. Check this out. Now we nailed this. This is absolutely beautiful. All right, cheers, man. Here we go. Let's do it.
This is perfect. No doubt about it.
Wow.
Filet Mignon quality in this right now, I'm telling you.
This really is. It tastes like Filet Mignon. I'm not even joking. Just look at that. This is insanely good. Definitely think that sear box had a lot to do with it. Now I almost got wall-to-wall red here. We got really, really close. But the flavor of this, I mean, this does remind me of Filet Mignon. It really does. I mean, it's just glorious. Here's another one. Cheers.
Not bad for your half of the collaboration. Very good. But I might have got you on the creativity level on this.
I think he did. This is good, man. All right, listen. That's going to do it for this episode. I want to thank Lyle again. Doing a collaboration with the man in Denver, and he's here filming the collaboration with me. How cool is that? So you're going to see his video come out and mine at the same time. Please watch both videos, comment, like, subscribe,
and
we're out.